All right, let's read chapter 4 of Frog and Toad Are Friends by Arnold Lobel. This chapter is called A Swim. Oh my word. I think he forgot his swim trunks. Toad and Frog went down to the river. What a day for a swim, said Frog. Yes, said Toad. I will go behind these rocks and put on my bathing suit. I don't wear a bathing suit, said Frog. Well, I do, said Toad. Why do you think that Toad wanted to stay behind the rocks? Probably because he wants to be modest. He doesn't want people to see. He likes his privacy. After I put on my bathing suit, you must not look at me until I get in the water. Why do you think he doesn't want anybody to see his bathing suit? Why not? Asked Frog. Because I look funny in my bathing suit. That is why, said Toad. Frog closed his eyes. Then Frog came out from behind the rocks. Toad was wearing his bathing suit. Don't peek, he said. Frog and Toad jumped into the water. They swam all afternoon. Frog swam fast with big splashes. Toad swam slowly and made smaller splashes. A turtle came along the riverbank. Frog, tell that turtle to go away, said Toad. I don't want him to see me in my bathing suit. When I come out of the river, Frog swam over to Turtle. Turtle, said Frog, you will have to go away. Why should I? Asked the turtle. Because Toad thinks that he looks funny in his bathing suit, and he doesn't want you to see him, said Frog. How did Frog try to help Toad when the turtle came along? He went over and talked to him. What didn't he? He was a good friend. Some lizards were sitting nearby. Does Toad really look funny in his bathing suit? They asked. A snake crawled out of the grass. If Toad looks funny in his bathing suit, said the snake, then I, for one, want to see him. We want to see him too, said two dragonflies. Me too, said a field mouse. I have not seen anything funny in a long time. There's a lot of creatures coming to see him. There was a turtle and lizards and a snake and dragonflies and a field mouse. Frog swam back to Toad. I'm sorry, Toad, he said. Everyone wants to see what you will look like. Then I will stay right here until they go away, said Toad. The turtle and the lizards and the snake and the dragonfly and the field mouse all sat on the riverbank. They waited for Toad to come out of the water. Please, cried Frog, please go away. But no one went away. It's pretty rude, isn't it? They're probably waiting to see what he looks like so they can laugh and make fun of him. That's very, very rude. That is not kind. Toad was getting colder and colder. He was beginning to shiver and sneeze. I will have to come out of the water, said Toad. I'm catching a cold. Toad climbed out of the river. The water dripped off his bathing suit and down to his feet. The turtle laughed, the lizards laughed, the snake laughed, the field mouse laughed, and Frog laughed. Well, I don't think that's very funny, do you? It just looks like a swimsuit. What are you laughing at, Frog? Said Toad. I'm laughing at you, Toad, said Frog, because you do look funny in your swimsuit. Of course I do, said Toad. Then he picked up his clothes and went home. How do you think he feels right now? Now that everybody laughed at him. I think he's probably upset. He's probably pretty sad. So, what did the creatures do when they saw Toad? They laughed at him, right? They thought that he looked really funny. Do you think that Toad looks funny? I think his swimsuit looks different than what you or I wear as swimsuits now. But I kind of like when things are different. It makes them unique. Go ahead and fill out this worksheet on chapter 4 and look at all of the why and how and what questions and answer them the best you can.